What is going on, guys? Welcome to a little tutorial on how to add subtitles to your videos using Premiere Pro. I am a complete novice at Premiere Pro. Lots of it I do not understand, but this is something I have discovered, so if you have basic knowledge like me, this may help you add some nice looking subtitles to your videos. So let's get into it. Once you've got your footage into your timeline, you can play until you find the first bit of speech that you want to add subtitles to. Yo. There is mine. I know because I made the video what it says. It says, "Yo, what's going on, guys?" So then in the playback window here, click that, hit T on your keyboard. That brings up the text box. You can click in the box and then type in exactly what you hear. Yo, what is going on, guys? There we go. So then if you click on, I'm just going to drag this a little bit more so you can see the box. Click on the text box, go to your effects controls, and you see this part here with the text, little drop down menu. Click on that, select what text you would like to use from the drop down menu. Lots to choose from. I'm sticking with this Minion Pro. Align to the center, very important for making this easier to add text at a later date. So then I like to add a stroke to it. So you click the tick, make it black. You can use any color you like, but black stands out better. I am going to then just increase that a little bit to maybe 3.0. Make it a bit more visible. Why did that not go black? There we go. So increase that. So we'll have about 15, like that, 16, that looks good. So then what you want to do, you can go on to position, and then you can just put it into the center where you'd like it. You can change scale, make it bigger, smaller. But what I like to do with the scale, so at the start of your text, if you make a keyframe at 100, click that, then using your right arrow key, press that about 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will go forward 4 frames. Then click back in the size, change that to 120, press enter, then go forward another 4 frames with the right arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click back on that 120 and drop that back down to 115. Press enter. This puts all the keyframes in for you, but now you'll see as I play it, you'll get this nice little like popping animation in the text. Yo, what is going on? How it jumps in. Welcome to. And then you just trim it down with the mouse. Click on the edge of the box. You'll see this little arrow come up. You can trim it down to the size you want. Oh, what is going on, guys? So what is going on, guys? That ends about there. And then what you can do, hold down your Alt key. Press the left mouse button, drag across. That will then give you a new text box, and you just delete the text in here and type the next bit. Welcome. I forgot what I said. But what is going on, guys? Welcome to. Welcome to. So not a lot more to add to that, but welcome to. And it keeps all the format, keeps everything the same. Welcome to. And then you just repeat the process all the way through the video. You can stretch this out so you can see more of the sound and the audio at the bottom. Align that up there to welcome to. So if I play that back, look. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to. And that is how you add subtitles. It is long-winded. It takes a lot to do like a long video, but it looks really good. Lots of different colors and combinations to play around with, but I hope you find this helpful. Smash that thumbs up button, give me all them likes if you did find it useful, and subscribe if you're new. Turn on your notification bell, you'll be able to keep up with all my future uploads, and I hope you learned something from this. Peace out, guys.